Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock options analysis. So we have some interesting data, especially around the $100 for the puts, and then I'm seeing some calls as well, but definitely the outshining data here is on the put side, definitely at $100. So in this video I'll be putting a confluence together with the technicals as for what are the possibilities both on the calls and the put sides, what type of options may come to fruition, what type of options may go worthless, and all in all, just sharing my opinion. I'll also provide you a window of what is the most tradable range that Nvidia may go up or down. What is that range it will trade in going in this week? So with that, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Also, if you can check this video out as well, I did why $106 is a game-changing level on Nvidia. Right over here on my channel there's a video that will give you a head start already into the technicals, because I'm actually explaining this in the form of a model, and this is going to be a good start and a new glance into something modeling that I do. And here you will get to understand the reasoning behind those, and also technical head start you will get in this video. All right, so now let's get back here on Nvidia, and as I just showed you that we have high puts at $100. So how about we start with the puts today first, and the black is the last trading day closing price, right? So $100 puts, is that a possibility? All right, so we are talking out of the money puts and the calls. All right, so the calls which are in the money at $100, I'm not going to focus on that. I'm going to only focus on the out of the money puts or out of the money calls. All right, so, and if you want to know reasons why I'm not talking about in the money, because it's not, if you're trading options within a week, it's really not worth it to play the premium on those in the money calls or puts, because it's just already too expensive. You'll be better off playing the out of the money to make any money out of the down payment or the premium you'll be paying for these options, right? But anyways, so $100 puts, it puts us down over here. All right, now what we have been seeing in the technicals, and again, so very high level glance into the technicals, we are though in the overall downward structure, but the momentum is shifting. We still have a pivot down here at a significant $97 level. This is a zone of significance, and so it's turning bullish. Even though it's intraday, yes, it is technically bullish, but it all comes down to $106 now for the next leg up. Again, check out that video that I pointed you to on my channel to more understand about those technicals. But yes, intraday we have been trying to go up. Now, $100 puts though, can that happen? Well, if Nvidia fails to go above 106 or even fail to close above 106 on Monday, and it even if it doesn't break below 102 but still closes red here, $100 puts are very likely that may happen. All right, and then definitely $97 is the another, again, the level. But if we come down again, likelihood that we continue to hold 97 is less. So because it's a retest happening, right, with the failure without going the higher pivot of another pivot of 106, and losing 102 creates a problem, and then yes, $100 puts may come in play. So $100 puts are not out of the picture in my opinion, and that's very likely can happen if we continue, if we stay below 106, stays below 200 hours moving average, and even if not breaking 102, but even if we start to lose 50 hours moving average, most likely we'll lose 102, and if that also is lost, yes, $100 is going to come. So as if, can it happen this week? Yes, it can happen this week on Nvidia. $100 puts. It all comes down to 102, and above that is that 50 hours moving average, if it can hold that. So yeah, this is possibility. What about the 110 calls and 111 calls? That's where the spike is as well. Let's talk about that. So let's just take, how about I just take the center, 110 and 50 cents, so that we almost cover both 110 and 11. And so once if we can get above $106, it's most well. So 20 days moving average will be coming some place over here. All right. By then, by Monday, it will be somewhere here. So you are still playing this option. So okay, let's do 110, so that yeah, I don't mix up the things. And then let's do another one. Let me mark 111 here. We go, almost there, right? So 20 days moving average is going to be very close, guys, by Monday around this level. So you're still trying to trade the extreme range on this option, because at least first time it may react here, but it all comes down to if it can hold up a 106, even if it rejects after 20 days moving average, and also with that if it can also get eventually, if gets above 200 hours moving average as well. 110 and 111 are the possibility to be played, all right, in the option. So yeah, it's a very possible range. So far looks like out of the money puts where the most the traders are betting their money, and out of the money calls where most of the traders are betting their money, is very much in the playable range for this week. What about the 120? That's where I'm seeing the next spike, right on the call side. So let's go over there, and 120. Okay, let me first get rid of this and this. So 120 comes over here. Okay, so here's the thing with 120, I would not want to play for this week, or not even try to play calls for this week. Why so? Because even if we get, guys, bullish and we continue to get up above 106 200 hours moving average, eventually it's going to take it a couple of days. Even if it, let's say, rejects 20 days, finds support again at 106 and gets back up in after the pullback, we still have these hanging resistances at that previous distribution phase at $118. I don't expect Nvidia to get above $118. All right, so $120 calls, in my opinion, are not worth trading. So what is the tradable range, and accordingly options can be traded, right? What is the tradable range that I think Nvidia would do this week? Well, so if Nvidia breaks below $102 Monday, it opens up the door, in my opinion, to $90. $90 is very much within the range again for this week. All right, I'm providing the safest possible ranges based off of these levels break. If 106 breaks to the upside, then I would, sure, 118 we can talk about it, but safest range would be, I would say, unfortunately, until 20 days moving average. But let's say if by Wednesday we get out of and above 20 days moving average, then yes, 118 is a possibility. So $90 to 100, well, so this is possibly the range. $90 definitely if we lose 102, but for 118 I want to see it also above 20 days moving average by Wednesday at least, or end of Tuesday. Then only 118 is a possibility. Otherwise somewhere until 112, oh sorry, 110 or something to the upside. But yeah, I would say it's likely possible. But since there, until we are not breaking out and above of 20 days moving average, we don't know if 106 again going to hold or not, right? That's an important. So once we get out, that's why I'm saying yes, 118 is a possibility, but it has to get out of 20 days moving average by Wednesday, right? So, and first above 108 and 6,200 hours moving average as well. Anyways, guys, so that's it for this video. And yeah, if you found this video helpful and valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. All right, guys, well, take care. Bye.